In this guide, I'm going to show you the best auto fish macro here on Roblox that is completely safe and doesn't break any Roblox TOS. That being said, before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually just go down to this little search bar down here. And what you're going to want to do is either type in keyboard or accessibility. But essentially, I'm just going to type in keyboard here. And then what you're going to want to do once you do open up keyboard is look to see if you do have a character repeat option or a sticky keys or toggle keys option. This is basically going to let your PC repeat or hold actions automatically without downloading any extra software. It's completely built in and it's 100% safe. Now you're going to see a few different options for this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is customize the repeat delay. I would put this on short just so it is as common as possible. And then from here, I would also put the repeat rate on fast as well. So move this to, all the way over to the right. And from here, what you're going to want to do is just hold down a key in order to go ahead and do this. So for example, let's go ahead and say I want to do W, right? Finally, one more thing, customize this and put the cursor on fast. And from here, all you have to do is go ahead and hit apply and then OK. And then as soon as you actually hit W, what it's going to do is it's going to consistently go ahead and hit W. So I could show you right here, if I go ahead and open up a new tab, for example, and then I hit W, it's just going to start spamming W's, essentially meaning that you have a macro that is completely safe. But yeah, let me go ahead and turn this off real quick because I don't want this on right now. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.